Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. Bill, I'm in the mood for a change up.
Hello, this is your Korean best friend. Today we are going to find out how to learn Korean. The best thing to do when learning language for the first time is meeting friends who speak it. It's much better than starting with a book and learning grammatically. The education in Korea is very tough and strong, but many people feel uncomfortable in using English despite always getting good score on English tests. The reason is that they don't use it with people who actually speak English fluently, just studying with books. Also, there must be a reason you want to learn Korean. Which one of these reasons fit the best of why you want to learn Korean? First, I want to sing along with my favorite K-pop singer or band, and I want to know the meaning. Number 2, interest in Korean food. Delicious. Number 3, interest in Korean history. Number 4, when you want to meet a Korean friend, or many other reasons as well, of course. Each person has a different reason to learn, but it's recommended to memorize the important words first, focusing on the reason you want. Nowadays, if you download various dictionary applications such as an English-Korean dictionary, you can listen to the pronunciation of the word you're searching for, so you can memorize and use it quickly. For example, if you like Korean food and want to learn Korean, it's important to learn words such as gimbap, tteokbokki, ramen, etc. And then the more important words such as delicious, really good, or spicy. Delicious means 맛있어요. Really good. 정말 좋아요. Spicy. 매워요. You got it? Okay, I'll talk about the Korean boyfriend or girlfriend things next video. So, subscribe and click like. Have a nice day. Bye.
Move for a change up.